Danke bafethu. Breaking news, indaba eyiphumayo laphana from i-Orlando Pirates, but sisuka ku-CAF ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates seyisubmithe i-complain officially noma i-formal complain ku-CAF bafethu about ucoach weLimpopo noma Lupopo uGuy Bukasa ukuthi waba nenkinga ne-CAF, kwakumele asuspendiwe or bekaku-suspension. So i-CAF kumele i-review-we ukuthi izoyinokha out iLimpopo or kwenzakalani or bazobafayina kanjani asazi because of kunenkinga e-serious bafethu ngucoach wani weLimpopo. So bona ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuyiwina na i-case but isubmithile. Orlando Pirates-ke njengoba isubmithe le complaint then ifuna ukubuyela ku-CAF Champions League. Bayinokhe out sibonile, badrowe 3-3, bashawe away babashaye 3-0 and then at home bawina 3-0. And then-ke badrawa 3-3 baya kuma-penalty la bashawe khona kuma-penalty. After uHotho wageja i-penalty noMbuthuma wageja i-penalty, Orlando Pirates yaluza kanjalo-ke but they wanna come back to i-CAF Champions League. Formally-ke submithe i-complaint. I think e-South Africa we've coined this expression yokuthi i-backdoor because the Mamelodi Sundowns-ke yabuyela ku-CAF after bayinokhe out. But-ke sesizobona ukuthi konke kulele ku-CAF ukuthi izodecide kanjani, izothatha i-decision izothini overall. I-decision obviously-ke i-CAF Inter-Club Committee izo-review-wa lama-cases lawa or ama-complaints from ama-team because akusiyo Orlando Pirates kuphela ecomplainile, khona enye i-Kenya Police nayo icomplainile bafethu isende i-complaint ku-CAF. So bona ukuthi i-CAF izo-review-wa yonke lento le ithini at the end of the day bafethu. Yeah, yeah, I mean ziyenzeka izinto ezisuka ebholeni lase-Afrika. Ama-team anga-qualify-a but anokhe out ngendaba nje tholukuthi badlalisa i-player engarejistwanga kahle or ucoach unenkinga. I-open letter lena bafethu i-Orlando Pirates iyafuna kuyasho ukuthi-ke iyafuna ukukhompitha ku-CAF Champions League this season ngenkani. So yeah, kazi ama-chances angakanani ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates if ine-solid case against ucoach weLimpopo. Nanokuthi okunye kumele sikubheke ukuthi why would i-CAF allow ukuthi abe sebhentshini ucoach out of maybe zonke lezi zinto lezi ezenzakalayo ukuthi he was not well equipped ukuthi abe sebhentshini and so forth, asazi konke lokho kuzodecide-wa ilokhu njani i-CAF. Sikhumbule ukuthi ilokhu njana umuntu oqale ngokukhuluma ngayo le ndaba lo Mickey Junior bafethu, ukhulume ngayo yonke lento le ukuthi kwenzakalani ngocoach waba suspended adile nezinto zaku-CAF because of ama-under bani waba nenkinga khona. So yeah, it's not over for i-Orlando Pirates bafethu, it's not over at all. Konke kulele ku-CAF ukuthi i-CAF izokhipha yiphi i-decision but it shows ukuthi it really shows ukuthi ibhola lase-Afrika lihlezi liney'nkinga. Uyashaywa egrawundini but ubuye sometimes ngoba kuney'nkinga behind the scenes. E-Europe is very rare ukuthi ubone into ekanje ukuthi qualify for i-Champions League, so qualifyile but kuvela amanye amacala ukhishwe. We haven't seen it in a long time because of they are professional, they know how to conduct themselves, izinto ezinjalo. So I mean ilokhu njani bafethu, and then khona umuntu obuzile laphana online uthi what about i-team le edlale ku-first round neLimpopo yashawa iLimpopo, what about yona-ke leyo team leyo? Yeah, I mean we'll see because of i-team, cause i-team for example I think for leyo nto leyo lokuthi le team, what about le team edlale nabo first round, ayizange i-submit a-formal complaint immediately mayiqeda ukushaywa. Sometimes akusubmit i-team directly but kusubmit amanye ama-team kugcine sokuqualify enye i-team. Same thing lento yenzakala ngeMamelodi Sundowns, lento le e-AS Vita a long time, I think 2016 or so, 2016 lapho nje Mamelodi Sundowns babayinokha out. So yeah, yeah, we'll see sibafisela inhlanhla abe-Orlando Pirates noma i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi potentially if iyakwazi ukubuyela ayibuyele. Yeah, ayibuyele ikwazi ukubuyela ku-CAF Champions League. I mean obviously I think ma-fans we-Orlando Pirates they would celebrate this moment because kuzoba i-moment enkulu kakhulu bafethu ukuthi bakwazi ukubuyela ku-CAF Champions League, considering the fact that balokhu njani lokhu njani they invested so much ukuthi bacompete ku-CAF. Baze bakhipha nejezi number 3, abanye bathi le jezi leli yilo ijezi leli le-Orlando Pirates bafowethu abafuna ukukhompitha ngalo laphana ku-CAF. So maybe because of they really planned, they went all out ukuthi baplane, they are hurt by lento leyo ukuthi bangakwazi ukuba laphana ku-CAF Champions League. But at the end of the day, when you are knocked out, you are knocked out, you are out. But-ke if ama-rules akhona angakubuyisela ku-competition, wasebenzise lawo ma-rules lawa. Bheka nje kuBafana Bafana what happened. Bafana Bafana bayithathela ama-points laphana ku-World Cup. So imithetho yebhola mningi kakhulu esiyaziyo nesingayazi. Okay, ngithinge ku-statement saka-Mickey Junior African Football Journalist ukuthi uthi nali iqiniso about ucoach weLupopo uGuy Busaka i-situation. Uthi yes, beyikhona ama-disciplinary issues, but-ke they apply kuma-national team duties kuphela, not ku-CAF inter-club competitions. Before i-game, i-CAF isende ilona i-disciplinary statement ku-match commissioner naku-general coordinator yakhona, ukuthi i-matter was dismissed, yabo, with the proof and evidence attached. So igama laka-coach laphana eLimpopo mali entera laphana ku-CMC under national teams coaches, it was rejected, meaning he could not sit on the bench if bokuyi-national team match. But-ke it was re-entered under ama-club coaches and bayi-acceptile leyo nto leyo, confirming ukuthi u-right ukuthi a-coach-e laphana kuma-CAF competitions. I-same process-ke was introduced during the match against the-Al Merrikh, which when similar doubts were raised. Now-ke iLupopo njengoba ifila ukuthi kuma-group stages iqualifyile, but akuhlali kahle kwabanye abantu abane-agenda mhlawumbe ukuthi bapush ukuthi ba-knock-we out. Importantly, Orlando Pirates, ngasikhathi a-report uMike June ukuthi importantly Orlando Pirates azange ifile any report or i-complain ku-CAF at the moment. Hayi, sobona yabona i-complicated le ndaba lena bafethu. We just have to wait for i-CAF sibone ukuthi i-CAF yona izothini, because i-CAF at the end of the day izodecide ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyabuya noma ayibuyi laphana ku-CAF. But-ke njengoba nayo as Orlando Pirates basubmit i-complaint, kusho ukuthi bayabona ukuthi maybe ikhona i-chance ukuthi babuye kuma-CAF competitions overall or ku-CAF Champions League this season, because njengoba bengisho ukuthi they invested so much ukuthi bakwazi ukukhompitha ku-CAF. I mean, them not being able to compete ku-CAF Champions League, it's a big blow for bona nama-plans wabo we-season overall as i-Orlando Pirates. But-ke ibhola linjalo ney'nkinga zakhona, li-unpredictable. Sometimes uyaplana but-ke izinto azihambi the way uplana ngakhona overall. Yeah, let's just wait for i-CAF sibone ukuthi i-responda kanjani. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.